In his statement before the police, he said that in the morning he, along with his two younger brothers (PW6) and the deceased was sitting on the chabutra of their bathak in their village when deceased proceeded for his house to bring the clothes for getting ready to go to Faridpur, where he was due to appear in the BA examination stop. As he reached the Chopal where the lane turned, he was waylaid by the accused and his friend armed with knives. Stop para. So as to the cause of the said incident, he further stated that shortly before the occurrence, his younger brother was elected as the village sarpanch. Stop. He did not pay any heed to the unreasonable demands of the accused, and this greatly annoyed them as they thought of themselves as the Chaudhry of the village. So this had led to an altercation and an exchange of hot words between the two sides on the previous evening, but the matter was then patched up by discussion. Stop. He finally stated that the accused, in league with one another, had killed his brother by giving him knife and lathi blows. Stop. After the occurrence, he brought his friend to the civil hospital Kanpur, where he was declared brought dead. Stop. Dr. Kumar (PW3), who was in the hospital on duty, sent information in that regard to the SHO PS, whereupon PW8 came to the hospital and took down the statement of the appellant. Stop. The FIR was delivered at the residence of the area magistrate on the same day. Stop para. What is, however, of significance for our purpose is that the trial court disbelieved a substantial part of the prosecution story. Stop. The trial court did not accept the prosecution case that accused were present at the place of occurrence and accordingly directed their acquittal. Stop. As regards the trial court pointed out that the three incised wounds on the person of the deceased that were attributed to him were, according to the medical evidence, post-mortem in nature. That is to say, those three injuries were inflicted after he was already dead. Stop. The medical evidence thus clearly eliminated the participation of his friend in the case. Stop. He too was therefore acquitted. Stop. The acquittal of the three accused brought down the number of the remaining accused for the shared common intention with the appellant. Stop. Apparently, that was one of the reasons for their conviction. Simply under Section 323 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, Stop.